Hi, it's Michael from DNA here, and in the next few minutes you're going to learn about how you can get a good quality recording of any lecture or taught session that you're attending. Now this video is specifically relevant to using an Olympus DM670 digital recorder, a recorder that you may well have received if you've made a disabled students allowance application in relation to something like dyslexia or dyspraxia. Now, a really useful button on your DM670 recorder is the Scenes button. Now, if we take a closer look, we can see that we've got this menu button here, and just above it, we've got the word Scene. Now, what this means is that the menu button is also a shortcut to the Scene menu, and recording scenes are ways in which you can tell your recorder what kind of room you're in so you get the best possible quality recording. Now, if you were just to press the menu button once, you'd go into a menu where you could change the type of recording, you could change the time and date, those kind of things. But if you hold the button down for a few seconds, it'll give you this shortcut function that will take you directly to the recording scenes menu, where you can choose a scene that's appropriate to the kind of environment that you are in. These scenes include lecture, conference, meeting, dictation, and Dragon Naturally Speaking settings. So the final one might be useful if you already have a copy of Dragon Naturally Speaking. Basically, this means that the recording is optimized for transcription. So you can record some notes away from your computer, load the file into Dragon, and Dragon will type it up for you. It's really worth experimenting with these different scenes depending on the environment that you're being taught in. Additionally, you should always think about trying to use a microphone to see if this improves the recording in conjunction with some of these scenes perhaps. Also, try and make sure that you're near the front in the lecture, maybe the first couple of rows, but whatever you do, don't let the recorder out of your hand. A lot of students will place the recorder right next to the lecturer on the lectern, and of course in that situation you can no longer add index marks or press the record button to start and pause the recording as you go along.